Hey there everybody, this is Travis Lima from Paid Memberships Pro, and today I want to show you how we can set up our Mailchimp integration add-on. Now this add-on works with Paid Memberships Pro, but it also works without it, and if you want you can use this to collect user registrations on your site and add them to Mailchimp. So over here I have my local development website, and the idea that I want to create is when someone selects a beginner membership and proceeds to checkout, they will be added to a Mailchimp audience that I have set up called My Members. Now there's a couple of things that you want to do in order to follow along with this tutorial. The first thing is you want to subscribe to Mailchimp. You can get a free account over at mailchimp.com, so you want to make sure you do that. Secondly, you want to make sure Paid Memberships Pro is installed and activated on your site. And finally, if I head on to my membership dashboard, you want to make sure that your PMPro Mailchimp add-on is installed and activated. So the very first thing that you need to do is you need to insert a Mailchimp API key. To find that key, head on to your Mailchimp account. Click on your avatar here in the bottom left of your screen. Click on Profile, head over to the Extra options, and if you click on the downward arrow, you'll see API keys. And from here, you can either create a key if you don't have one, like you see here. And if you do have one, you can just click on your API key, copy it, head over to your Mailchimp settings, paste your API key in the field, and then go ahead and save your settings. Now, as you can see, a couple of things have changed. This is importing my audience called My Members. You might see something slightly different. And from top to bottom, there's a couple of more things that you can do. So you can add non-member to your audience if you want. You can add in an opt-in audience. You can require double opt-in. You can set that to yes or no. Unsubscribe members on a level change. Update their audience status on a profile save. And then finally, what I wanted to show you, membership levels and audiences. You can select an audience that a member will be added to once they complete checkout of that specific membership level. I'm going to go ahead and save my settings. I'm going to perform a checkout for the beginner level, and we will see what happens. Okay, so I have performed a checkout, and as you can see, I have a beginner level. And if I head over to my Mailchimp dashboard, I now have an audience of one contact. So if I click on that, you will notice that the info at paidmembershipspro.com has been added to this audience, and I can start sending them newsletters, updates, blog posts, etc. I hope you found that tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.